Whether you're headed out on a solo multi-day hunt or just need a bug-out shelter for a day of fishing deep woods tributaries, Spike is a truly minimalist tent that will get you even deeper into the backcountry. Single-walled to shave weight to just over a pound and packed down incredibly small, Spike offers the ultralight space and protection you need to go further and stay in the high country for as long as it takes to punch your tag. Spike's 30D nylon ripstop fabric is coated on both sides with a premium silicone treatment for increased durability and offers the most reliable and technical waterproof protection so you can weather any storm. A massive vestibule offers plenty of waterproof gear storage and opens wide to a unique pentagonal door for increased shoulder space and ease of entry. Sheltered ventilation at the head and foot greatly reduces condensation on this waterproof single-walled tent. Spike's no-seam mesh pentagonal door further increases airflow for better temperature and condensation control while keeping bugs at bay. 3 included struts with triangulated guy-outs increase stability while also volumizing Spike's tent door and foot end for increased space, while your trekking pole supports the peak to shave ounces. A light pocket at the peak turns your headlamp into a tent lantern, providing a useful glow through light diffusing fabric. And for greater visibility, especially at night, Spike is outfitted with orange highlights and reflective webbing and guy-outs.
The new WindBurner personal stove system is built with award-winning technology that allows it to operate flawlessly in weather that shuts other stoves down. MSR's most compact personal stove system combines this windproof technology with the ultimate convenience of a fully integrated system that is so fast and reliable it will change how you cook and brew in the backcountry. The WindBurner stove system packs in everything you need to boil water fast anywhere. Inside, the 1-liter pot nests the canister stand, the stove burner, a 4-ounce or 110-gram isopro fuel canister, and a small cloth to protect the pot and burner head. Its 16-ounce bowl snaps onto the outside, and accessories like the WindBurner coffee press and hanging kit also pack neatly away. The WindBurner's pot is made of light, rugged aluminum and connects securely to the stove. It features an insulated cozy that is wrapped in heat-resistant fabric that won't singe over time. The lid features drinking and straining ports, so you can sip hot meals and drinks when the temperatures drop or the winds kick up. Both the lid and bowl are BPA-free and heat-resistant. Quick to break down, light and compact, the whole system stores easily in your pack. Our goal was to make a stove system that was as convenient and easy to use as it was fast and efficient. The WindBurner stove uses MSR's radiant burner technology. These burners provide far more wind resistance than conventional burners and are difficult to blow out, even when the pot is removed. In addition, the WindBurner stove operates on 100% primary air, drawing all the oxygen it needs through ports near the burner. This allows the pot's heat exchanger to completely enclose and protect the flame from wind and maximize heat. A pressure regulator ensures the stove offers consistent performance at altitude, in cold weather, and with a nearly empty canister. The result? In real-world conditions, the WindBurner stove system boils water faster than the competition, using less fuel. Even in 12-mile-an-hour winds, the WindBurner boils in just 2 minutes 45 seconds, when other stoves slow or fail to boil altogether. With the WindBurner's compact, integrated convenience, fast boil times, and incredible fuel efficiency, you'll carry less fuel and less weight in your pack.
With the Surviveware Responder 72-hour backpack, a preparedness system that does the thinking for you, with quality tools, gears, and supplies that are all housed in an organized bag, enabling you to see all your gear at a glance. Included in this bag is our legendary first aid kit for bumps and scrapes along the road. Once you reach safety, make shelter your priority. Anchor down and secure. Make shavings for your fire. Perfect for strains and sprains. To patch up and construct new tools. To attract attention and get found. To secure and fasten. Stay up to date with weather forecasts. Make fire in extreme situations. kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Plan ahead and stay on track. 2 food pouches with a total of 3,600 kilocalories per person. 2 water pouches with 9 water packs per person. 2-person pouches that include wipes to stay clean and fresh. Goggles to protect against smoke and dust. A whistle to attract attention to stay warm at night. For hygiene and wounds. To stay safe. To dispose hazardous materials correctly. Stay as dry as possible during downpours. Keep your supplies safe in a water-resistant bag. This bag has everything you need to take your preparedness to the next level. And because this backpack is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency.
This is the Schrade SCHF61 full-tang fixed-blade knife. A knife built for the bushcrafter and camper alike. The SCHF61 is handsomely made with the iconic Schrade logo and white two-tone micarta handle slabs trimming out the knife's good looks. But looks are only part of the equation, as this knife is made for the challenges brought up in the life of a survivor. The 4.14-inch drop-point blade of the SCHF61 has a 100% fine edge, making this an extremely versatile tool that excels at chopping, light batoning, and skinning fire sticks. The piercing sharp tip allows for more detailed operations like notching and drilling holes for water extraction. 8CR13 Movi titanium-coated high-carbon stainless steel extends through the handle of this full-tang knife. The handle slabs are made of pick micarta, giving a sure grip through any weather condition. To further deter slippage, the handle includes thumb rest jimping and a comfortable finger cutout. An included lanyard hole allows for cordage to be attached. When the tasks are done, keep the SCHF61 safely by your side with the included ballistic belt sheath. The knife keeper snap ensures that the SCHF61 will be there when you reach for it. Keep extra gear, such as fire starting supplies, in the front pouch. If you need to move quickly, there is a leg strap to keep the sheath package tight to the leg. Quickly put this knife on belts up to 3 inches wide with the quick attach Velcro strap, eliminating the need to remove your belt. Weighing only 0.43 pounds, handsomely styled, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF61 full-tang fixed-blade knife.
The UST SparkForce is a compact, reliable flint-based fire starter that generates sparks in wet or windy conditions. The SparkForce ignites a wide variety of tinder, including UST wet fire tinder, and the striker is built into the detachable cap to protect the flint and prevent unintended sparks. The SparkForce is contained in a highly durable ABS plastic case and is small in size, so it is easy to fit in packs or kits.